to Adeakye Abia on Sompa 93.1. My name is Omanhene Yaw, Boakye, your man in the morning. And what are the headlines making news this morning? Quickly, the Ghana CEO Summit took off yesterday, and President Mahama has outlined 8-pillar strategy to transform Ghana, to reset Ghana. Obabeli John Mahama CEO Summit, Ghana. Ejuma so ana ejuma ku akese a yede omo ededa no se akandifo no mo hwe toto niema no wo mo enhia mu kese no omo pani John Mahama kasa wase na ose wo de fape mako enwotwe na asi wo yentie no.
Research. Let me outline 8 key pillars of the economic reset that we envisage. Number 1 is completing the IMF program with discipline. We'll continue the discipline in government expenditure and borrowing and work to achieve all targets under the extended credit fund with a program with the IMF. We expect to conclude the 4th review of the IMF program in June 2025 with a target to exit at the end of the program in 2026. And thereafter, we'll participate in Article 4 consultations and adopt the policy support instrument framework, signaling Ghana's return to responsible, non-borrowing engagement with the fund. And the second is reopening domestic and international capital markets. We're working to reopen Ghana's bond market in collaboration with the IMF and our development partners, the Ghana Stock Exchange and local banks. However, future borrowing will be linked to self-financing commercially viable projects, particularly by MDAs, MMDAs, and SOEs, ensuring value for money and sustainable repayment. The third is strengthening sovereign funds and local government financing. We'll amend the Public Financial Management Act and Constitution to make contributions to the sinking and stabilization funds mandatory. It will not be optional. So a certain percentage of funds must be committed to the sinking and stabilization funds. We also intend to empower MMDAs to issue infrastructure and municipal bonds secured against a portion of their district assemblies common fund to fund infrastructure projects such as.
Okay. Enti Omapani John Mahama and Enisu Adihunu a wode tu dwanie. Na Obo GPR2 for Abaso. Se ometu anamo eti se na womo atete sa ye ka akobede ne ahyentede no eso. Na ose enamenu sunti o ka kire businesses. Se city appreciation gains no omo passing it on to customers. Omo Penny John Dramani Mahama.
We must reset and reset with discipline, with purpose and unity. On government's part, I wish to assure you that we'll maintain the current fiscal discipline and work to maintain a conducive environment for your businesses to thrive. Let me take the opportunity to commend those of you who have responded to the cedi's appreciation by reducing prices of your products and services, and thereby passing some of the relief from the hardship to Ghanaians. And so, Oka and all of you, thank you very much. GPR to you, thank you very much. And so, for those of you who have not responded yet, please pass on some of the cedi appreciation to Ghanaians.
I don't see Omampani John Dramani Mahama. Also, want to do a Jumano. It's a Jumano na Bibianco. Now, Bank of Ghana Governor Siama and Semito Ghana for
has appreciated.
They have not engineered the cedi appreciation or any dollar depreciation. Now, strategies being near my policies be on Modia Gugu Aquemino and a market na Edis Edjumano. Yentie Governor Siama.
Against the US dollar on year-to-date terms. Now, colleagues, let me emphasize that the central bank is not, and the not is in capital letters. The central bank is not using its international reserves to support the cedi, nor are we engineering an appreciation in the cedi that will not be sustainable. It's all market-driven, and the strengthening of the currency reflects a blend of disciplined monetary policy, tailored foreign forex auction reforms, enhanced remittance channels, and stricter market surveillance. These are not mere short-term interventions.
Okay, I don't see or see way any short-term policy be as a dollar no. So now we share him say dollar, and now no pay me no say dollar and I'm 10.4 me wa. Asante Akwaba. Dollar is 10.4 and it keeps coming down. It is expected say by the end of the month the dollar could hit 9. Mr. Remo, ejadifui. And 10.4 me wa. 10.39. And no yes say wo kwakota. Say wo ton obi ewo cedi no koto dollar 10.4. And say wo obi na kwose 10.39. Say see a pound kra nyame adom. Pound na nam 19 about 14.1. Oh pound na kwose sa o koto pound at 14.1. Euro about 11. Etimasa mo amokofa ne ma nansi aba no. Boutique for no masa mo bra mo nteso.
Na say the burger for ni do musu.
Burger for ni
su.
Na ombesu.
Burger for no.
Say burger for.
Dollar ni mo kwa abrochire ho.
Burger for no say dollar ni mo oduro no. E na okwa. O ma ne ma me $100 ah.
O ma 60 million, 50 million.
O ma 60 million. Say o ma me $100 ah, 10 million.
Na akwemi na ka so ba na mo ji again.
You see I see kan mo du.
You say the we here.
Embra be 80 kra.
I
see a $1 no yem fa.
Omo crackers no cra so say omo behwe say.
No, but say see ano.
By the end of
the wa cracker.
Se see idea.
Se see idea. And I make say omo ko fa ne ma no. Also obi won ma ko China. Obi ko Turkey. Obi ko Dubai. Obi ko UK. Within a space of 3 weeks, utimi ko fa ne ma me kan kire say e old stock.
And now man no crab akon say ebu
o dia make out ya say
no ya dwebe wo so ofa no bia be 4 months no ni say dollar no e betimi agina e ofagu. So those people will be at a disadvantage.
No, asma me can say CCA na
say. One ko CCA idie.
Say wa kra ne ma last 2 weeks. Also ne ma bi wo mo kra e cargo nti o mutimi yi, especially o boutique no ne sa ne ma no. Utumi kra ne ma e bo kra no Turkey 2 weeks ago. Utimi fa ma je ebo na o kono na wo de je no.
They say we could mind they are say.
We are sad now we are not being fair.
New prices and one more and with the new dollar cedi rate in about Omo old stock na board and they will be in critical situation.
Yeah, but also so no tell me my issue is
this. Very smart.
Say also adjust ho a. Na say yakofa begum. Share TV. Ebia okra TV. Ebe take ebe a month or two. It is our old stock no. But all the bedrua. The yakofa new one and the abedu no. What is so?
Now what the old stock?
So old stock. You will be forced to do it.
I
there. A price margin, a profit margin, and a market system. It do maybe I'll be boka, it do maybe I'll be coining. So you want to say obey you swa. Now people will not come to you. They see I'm why. Say me quack or top ball joint. Maybe I also found ball joint on magazine. What the 15 a toy? It's a ball joint, you know. What did you 2,000? No be the abedu. Maybe I'll also share price, you know, no or say or the budget 1,000 later. You don't expect me to say I'm told you.
I saw now, yes,
my alateja, Otiso.
There's a lot of phones.
Kakra now was saying,
my matisse spare parts, no, a lot of phone. Any British in your maso. I'm a Ghana phone and no more the abo Nikakra.
Adentra, and on the boy,
say, as a letter.
Alatani, Nucrano, Sesiano, ni sit ne Nara, not say. It can this Homucrano, Moteso. Yawakwaba. They are making out here say. Alata fono Yahweh. Woman nara say. Ghana city na one din a cheerful a so. Ono krano akofane ma ba ke wo say the price no was ro or tiso o wa ha no mo so the dollar na kofa itu uda so giram boy
abota problem ni say omo old stock e wo system ni mo no obon se nipa na wakofa foforo de abante se bia say mo e na makofa ba mo friend say eyi Boakye omo se ne boarding
perfume rice no
perfume rice ne ho ahwan nti nipa na no old stock no say normally I say unofficial kuo no mo dwon nti ono no like old stock ni ne kire say emo no ye de gi ebuo say on say nipa na wakokra de aba no odi kan ye survey busa say
how they do it atosode akro mo ye
obusa say mo de gi say so hu maybe on na ka say bia ye de gi 500 cedis and I say ye de gi 1000 Ghana it ono na kwakofa ba at this Abia dollar rate ni one winning
10.4
which is 10.4 no oba nipa na no kofa Abia ne dia na ye 15 Ghana cedis and I say 12 Ghana cedis and I say 14 cedis
o se sa fawo de ne je sa because say what is so ye beboka
mo
which is
yes that is what they do
which is wrong
this board joint asemi ya okay obi a wakofa de dia ba January a ye nto ye da honom no mo bin de mra enne na onyini ne wonso ko honom akwa busa na so ofafo na friend say board joint no Toyota mo de get say
enti de beba ne say
atafo na ni abre na o say
enti de beba ne say the ono no ede gi old price no obenya mfaso boom because of the new rate no na to yo
and now mind okofa ba na soso no also benya mfaso boom
eno na make no the okofa ba ye no benya mfaso more than the old stock no
so we dey
ya dey sofa enti no obi o no ma say ala tani no on jonko ni bi eno no hu say dollar no dey kofa ne ma no
ne bu
oton 15 say sia no sa dollar no ati aba 10 okọ Nigeria kofa pass no o calculate ye no on to be fanye 20 also oton 15 a wo so wadwa wo dey gay ye ko ha beto 15 no na why no on man ewo sogu na num oso wonpe there be
two months
ago e was say adwadifo no mo planning well
nipa no betena dwom ne ye ntɔ a ho nti bia me ba na bia asante ebo ase emo no ose 1000 obetena na se ye ntɔ bia so o mame mo bia 600
ose fabra
ana mama 700 bonso obetwetwe no am yese me call se o de enye hwe fabra na bo de na enye
yeah, because we demand here. So who's so akofa niema ba ene no. So who di old stock for etia.
Mo.
Wo niema no beka.
Mo.
Also wo na yes smart sa kodwa bim.
Oh, money brain na wo gina baby a wo gina no teso a. They will be forced to even follow suit. Hey, eje die denara edru maybe e kabam. And na woni ma de. Ya na omo moka o. But omo profit margin e so tie.
Nigeria for no de mo Nigeria for mo di coins dwa.
Mo be say
Nigeria
one sa coins dwa no na. Asante kumasi ya mo yo madwin se mo de atwamene buo no na mbagye anya mo mfa so obuma
times 10.
What will happen is no na Nigeria for no they are taking over China more ukwa kitin
yes
Adeakye Abia 200 cedis no almost 195
na koton say started with me anya advert mo started with Malcolm so steady ya
yes
before say Malcolm be ba near supermarket bi ye Ghanaian
yes
Malcolm for buy na bia milk almost started here 3 cedis 40 pesos. But now go other Ghanaian supermarket
now 4 cedis 50 pesos.
4 cedis 50 pesos 5 cedis. But Malcolm said the amount 3 cedis 40 pesos. Ebia ne dia was here 40 pesos na say 20 pesos no you okay. Because do a water no.
And obey echo.
And the buyer be see your friends a lot for no na China for ni take over your market no.
Yeah, they are doing it.
China more ne China city ni sa na no mu bie no because akota de hwe omo bie China furniture bi was Santase kwan.
Nanka.
There are Ghanaians omo furniture shops ni bi. But the ro na kobusa akunya ne bo.
Never China ho. Meanwhile, go fast and them announce free China.
Mo senye China Turkey ni wa ono mu nyina akwose sabai o. But the kobusa Ghana ni no. Akunya na China ni ndi bi esi no no. Kobusa ne bo. Na kwa China ni wona kobusa bo. I'll be forced to go to China ni no to buy some
in 2017-18. So na me tie came na me hu young guy bi whether from Dutch countries ni ba ko ma wonim Akrana Bagana, how young guy be over 20-19 years. And also about research. And Ghana for marketing. Why Chinese have taken over Ghanaian market?
Yes.
Now, no, or the try and came now. It's in laptops. Now, me here. When it's a content of research.
Yes.
Me Bob because hey, Sakra get one way for New Chrome. Abba haba yes idea we ma yen ti Ghana ha. Yehu ne ma say siko. Into my media. Yen trase. Mpanimfo guta mpanimfo mo na enfo mo nsensi for ma. Edwadie no wan ha be yes Ghana for na nya eso.
Because Ghana ni ko China. No ko fa ne ma. Adwene ne say ote ne ticket ka. Ote na didi ka. You hotel ka. Niema na obeye ni ka. Ansa na ne mfa so. Eti oto adekro no e bia 20 cedis a. E wo so odege 120.
Yes.
Asante wote na mecho no. Ne mfa so no ye mako be 6 times.
Eniema original so atunu ni.
Eniema original so atunu men e ye ni plane ticket e wo so ote. E wo so ote ni hotel. E sika odi ye. Ne forwarding, shipping and forwarding no. Ansa no no an mfa so ote bia 5 times. E no de aka de 20 ni ho. Eti e be 120. Eti oba obeton no 120. Eti say dollar ni pagya ne tete ne ma no a omoka o. Na mom ni profit margin no ene swati eyesa onye skabum alatani no ebe hese da bi kamenya 50 Ghana ba ma menya 20 Ghana because menya 20 Ghana no eniema 100 metuma ton ni nyina ne ba Ghana ni 50 Ghana no a day obeton 20 eti by the time oni be ba hoso no multiply 20 by 100 and 50 by 20 no ubo salatani no the piano or craniema. No craniema. By a day, you penny boom at once.
Now, what say Ghana for to be say autonium 100. Now, no pay or buy nipa bear 20 be to be manual. If he said near Matona,
and you want to be well, okay.
You cry. Two bones will be Gina Honoma auto bieno or crow hard Jane. What I say. Ghana force I said, me meeting. I said, there's a minya 20 grams. 20
Balatani, be said, 100 ni nyina o sesa oyi 2 cedis a free so a I mean asante
Ghana ni betima catch us say me ton ni nyina mo me store ni mu beda hododo ba lata ni mfa ho say niam no beton ni nyina
they always go for the big unim alata o ma order make when I'm saying once alata for any Africans put them couple application for job na Ghana for any Africans wait for security wait for secretary. Let me see. He won't see you. Obi akwa application for job no. What's your person? You almost said yes. He thinks that he can manage your job. So them maybe they want to aim big and high.
That is it.
Or plan.
On the big no. Strategically, I was saying, CID boss. I'm Chama to me bail. Na no pay yes one samra. Yene lawyer and the Adeakye Abia legal counsel for Chama to me. Ebetuche enkomo anopay yente chama wuntumi nsem ba ko bi no kan
me lances a eyi lease e de kire wo se menye illegal mine na se menye galamse enti me de me lances no e de kire wo ama omu de to so bio omu sa ka se ye adwuma e wo forest and also me catch up say enyemia en konko ye duma I was forest here aye so mo evidence omo betimi ade ahre
ami kwa wo man so na me lawyer and the Adeakye Abia dwetwe nkomo lawyer me mo achi anopay
omo ye say omo de honam
lawyer what you mean ka okay
hello?
Now I'm to say lawyer we the wa uni akuma Omanhene wona we yewra chama wuntumi ne lawyer meboa one of them okay now but enra mo call ye no so bo ba no mo de abono no mo sidie nti no mo wra ne fie na die nti so e no mu gina so nti o mo to nsa frɛ no ene wo mo se won kɔ na ne so won samra yi wada roma wo na betima boye nkyeremu
yo de wo se especially yi e fra ya frɛ ewura wotumi ekɔ police headquarters no efiri anamo bi asɔfo bi ti a ɔmo ba ewura wotumi fi ɛnya de kɔ ɔmo ba sɛ ma wotumi fi ɛnyɛ police form ɛyɛ police administration ɛfuma nea tia ɛnya ne sɛ ɔmo firi ɛda bi ɛna ba hɔ na ɔmo deɛ so far no yɛnya tiɛ nea ti a ɛma ɔmo ba hɔ na ɛnura ɛyɛ a ɛfɛ ɛkyɛ ma ɔmo na police administration ɛna ɛfɛ ɛkyɛ ma ɔmo sɛ ɔmbra mɛboa ɛma ɛnyɛ hwehwɛ ɔmo yɛ mining ma ho ɛdɔ no yɛkɔɛ no nukɔsɛ ɛbɔɔ 12 o'clock na ɛkɔnyɛ ɛnyɛ meeting ɛti emergency bi ɛde bi firi hɔ ɛkɔ court food ɛti honorable Dabi Oma Attorney General also ba ɔbɛboa ɛti ɔno leading team de bi kɔkɔhyia investigators na yɛwie no ɛnti a timawu ne bɔ amaneɛ ne sɛ charges na allegations na ɔmo yɛ mmiɛnsa baako ne sɛ ɔyɛ mining operation only license so ɔyɛ fɛ adwuma afei ɔsɛ nsuo water bodies ɔyɛ pollution ɛna deɛ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa nso te sɛ ɔbɛwura forest reserve mu a ɔnyi ho tibi na ɛno nyinaa no kyɛ ma wotumi ayi ano sɛ ɛnyɛ no so ɔnyɛ saa adwuma no abia anaasɛ ɔmo mmerɛ bi aso sɛnea ɔmo gyina ɛno nti yɛma wotumi bee sɛ ɛnɛ ɔnsa report ɛti nyame yɛ adom a ɛnɛ 3 o'clock yɛbɛkɔ yɛakɔtɔ radio
nti no ɔmo sɛ mmerɛ bɛ pɔte no do anaasɛ mmerɛ bɛ na ɔma
3 o'clock awia yi
na no ɔmo sɛ wɔn nsa di ne ho adi nkyerɛ ɔmo anaasɛ ɔmo bɛtoa nkɔmmɔdie no so
nnura no bail condition bi sɛ ɛnɛ ɔmo mmra ɛnɛ yɛmmra na sɛ biribi wɔ hɔ nom a yɛtoa so nti ɛnɛ nyame afom a yɛbɛbɛ
okay na yɛ sɛ ɛnɛ nnura no ɔwo ne kyama wotumi didi nkɔmmɔ na ne ho yɛ deɛ
ne ho yɛ papaapa biribiara yɛ halagye
okay ɛne ɛnɛ deɛ ɛbɛfiri mu aba no ɛkyena ɛne wobɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ yɛda ase pii okay Yaw. Politics is funny. These wild allegations of $10 million Exim Bank, Cocoa Roots, Yachiano 50 million Ghana cedis, Akoyu 11 million, Akoguna account to Paradise Insurance
Company,
and this idea we know, CID friend or man come back. It's allegations we now be good on. Attorney General and this will born one answer why.
Say there, but no crack with to police ID Hokra, no catches on quanti robbery squad for no quanti robbery for no crown, say anti robbery for no more dancing you. I say, oh, it did be not as a movie from one office to
no, my issue is these allegations have been thrown into the public space. Say. Yeah, man, it's got some good year, bro. 1 year, bro. No, $10 million from Exim Bank. 50 million, you triano for Cocoa Rose.
Yes, yeah, Bruno.
8 January, and you triano. 8 January, the triano, Odimu 11.5, Akotona account.
Yes, Cocoa Rose, no, but could be 1 month, so I yet, but could be so Mosia so said then there were yet.
So me myself say sa semi no ebe pie because ye nyina fi say nuntina CID for crime invite no me boa omo koye omo say wakoba wura forest bi ma wakose no ye toso bi enu wapollute waters bi ye toso mi ensa oni license e was so operate eti we are a mining issue bereft of the allegations abegu ye o
akota se wa na aka say ye wasem we de court ene ye wasem so ye kan wo
ye kan bedwam gu
egu hu fi ti se ne asem no say ye hwene se court.
Another school of thought Sufi said the government was smart in its communication.
Oh yes,
because maame no aeroplane no de buy no the we are not Ghana for soldier go abai no so say
the vice president
Okuja Tabla Kwasi obe resign. It was also a diversionary tactic to also sway off because esi you know and then the person they can you know na asem
and akota e work perfectly e work
and no na edru maybe over cancer me catch now say sami je fi asem ba ye nyina kra na ye ka bi say enya asem a wo so o crucify boy no afenyo ma ke dibrika na go so twene wo ma ka at least sami je fi omo ponche ne kakra
Ghana for no tutu no na fe
afenyo ma ke dibrika ko ye press conference
public of the
press conference we and NDC for ni nyina divert attention no so wo ba be ka bi ya soma wo oh egu wo so twa so ade
ase na sragini ni ade anchekura no no akoyi na tempi wo
na wa bibi new srag asem we o de kwa isa Savukantanka I court a sign or say video no nothing showed say they see no na oko influence elections no
any video ni
OSP ba nyina asem ba ko tv dia kokko
man for friend no Chamaluta MPP chairman
and then fortunate users is cannot come so the man what was the outcome of the election
there be na for this can ma assemblyman for no na ugina ho
there be no ugina ho kra na assembly say what is what to do
atesam na sa man no mo frɛ no OSP no bi dey be fee say baby a yaduro no akota OSP ni say first one no ɛna na obo first half ɛna yɛnhu the dwuma so a asante wo sere ni be sere OSP no sakota say OSP the assembly court ama court akwete a discharge like as a court na boss na to as a uni nyina so bia orua ne mfa no ho nkonkodi uni nyina so bia akota say a state institution OSP resource open institution ba ko ba ya yamano resources pa in terms of sika ya making na ye twa sika ma say give her investigations fire prosecutions ni ade a eye OSP no me de say me feel say the first half no sanko ya amano a coach won change him second half wonye substitution asante me boa second half no ye say bia wo secretary no ene omoawa perfofro bi
man enye
OSP no
no amu kra substitution e wo say kano wo so go ye substitution
coach na
amu kra no why to say king cancel coach na omobobo na yes first half on was ya know what I'm doing give them me ya second half 7 days was munya botre boys need good so enwrem no toy OSP way I can tell you for a fact much ado about nothing
me one person at home like my yes, my disappointed part.
Me say, iya na edu me bia. Na obi obeto ankwanoma. Me so ana me ko we. Ena he oni ke oni kino for atade. Goofed.
On that day no to ankwanoma na me ka say that deal.
Yeah, na me ka say dan.
Obi abi so te adodo de obi ape o. Man must eat o.
Oh.
Na Zuba ya de bi mani age.
Yes.
Kwesi fori e de abetu dwa say wo hu say lawyer friend na so omo tete so no adroba fo bi afashe omo nsa de ompe no omo ye na se sia no anamo omo tu ni say omo deploy aprosifo
police
ebi say uniform nyenye police
yeah police for the drama for what that
Azanti Pacho Timmy.
MTTD for no omo 2 functions but ni ko ba ko pe won say obegina honom na wa check road works
no waje kakra won e ho no
insurance ne sane man the other side no so to yen passengers no sasa me take anim na say me fee say bia bibi cost
me just say fa
me o say me MTTD
me draw attention
me draw attention na
Asante, let's give them the benefit of the doubt.
Yes.
As the more mutu ni say, Sesiano, they are deploying the MTTD.
MTTD for the yarding.
They will do a random stop. Car ni kona free bed 334 kano now. No more busa. Passenger ne say yeji ahamu kwa yeji say
yes
no mo say bi yeji fa na waje mo say because omo tra mo strategy jiska no eti waje mo say osio aha yeji 5 na so waje 10 driver mate come out say ebi mo 15% no
yes ebi
calculations no o ma anko 15 no eti no anama azubetu no ana nra ye ka kire all the municipalities
yes
MCs no maba ho no wo mu tie ya endimanimu ya
wo mu nya mozuba
Honorable Asante MC Ejoso
yes
se wo tie ya tu anamon
yes
Ben Abdallah Asokore Mampon
yes
ka fa ho tu anamon Amankwa Kwabri East
yes
tu anamon
yes
Abubakar Tafo
yes
Eric Sibe kwadaso
yes Sibe
tu anamon Franco Usu Oswame
yes
amukama asukwa atonsu agogo ne wo mo ba ho no na ahwe so awasadat wo na wo hwe ofori krom so enti wo no eno na me ka no eno ti na maka kire ejuso eni ofori krom mo kamom yentimi mutimi ntra ho sam ya MCs na mo manfo ye twa o mo na mo tete ho
yes
eti anama azuba etu no musum tubi and mutu a it will collaborate.
Yes, sir. The Ashanti Regional Police Command to swat take your DNA up. It is other adjoining MMCs, no.
Any more district or a police officers, no. MTT department. Who's taking it up?
No more what the regional commander, Ebebwa.
Because see how Buakye. That's a Boakye police. A penny for commander or what to Nkrala ne Gumwa.
Yes. Achuma wa
bieja abede no mai mo nam aprekwan so
yes
mo nam ayi santase edi ko daban no ne kwaman ho no you are bracing for
yes
assembly na mo ma yen kamfo mo
yes
MTT for mo ma yen kamfo mo assembly we say maso mo man no enye wo je ayi no waje you say o ma twa bo 10 cities
I'm going to say 20.
Editor, check your mic. Editor, check your mic.
About runabout to back roof room.
Airport runabout
20 cities.
Hey, exclusively
for no. Because 20.
That's ama. Say so I'm runabout today.
They said airport runabout one.
Airport runabout
20. IGP tete nyohunu ye de e kan che so se me boa o ma manfo nkofo ha no po ya ha de enti ba sa no e ho ne homu da o he
da se nan sen men nam ho nyina
o mo fa obi anfa ho
so nfa no ba
wonye 5 na be 20 dia be do fa
20 Ghana
20 o mo je
no receipt
David akwata na okomo receipt e dey na akwata ada police ni bi chi awura bi wo ayi akoton say airport runabout friend say post office abo post office o say like we new on the road until oduru ho no otwa you 10 and police ni say wache no opa na chewa no so 19 ne krakra no so miniska bia wo mo say two person say uni momo
Oye momo.
Also did the number man say all kono send the momo. Also police ni di je.
Shabasa for them bro.
Also your police ni.
No the police no dey.
Oji momo every mo.
Na bacho say go boy dem tia.
Am I call?
Now 17 suspects. It was Sama boy anti-galamsey operation no. They were arrested 17 suspects. Police for no omo de gumo no. Na definitely China for be wom. Omachi omo just say omo de omo nti so dogo bi etwabe ye koba ye ne Randy Wilson, head of urban transport KMB
ye call me say oman panyi mama asemi o kan we headline no say toll no on be no flight free to be say when see the automated no amanfo bi so suggest say toll boot no nkoa omo fa nkoa ne twa toll no you come send some regions be wa bokokona to kura no
so the toll should be across
so
Ghana.
E be suggest say the mo twa mo income tax na that thing no enya across board nipa na afini duru a toll no say one cedi a wo twa say obefa toll boot mo mfa toll boot because ade ba ko say o man total for no befa toll boot be 3-4 times a day so there should be a second look of the toll
say
system
be a sticker for toll no to do on man machine who sticker na
the whole year say 10
10 do na ne enso
There should be some
new dimensions anyasa
and carrier kwan so kra traffic network uduru MTN frɛ o use MTN obi frɛ wa o de hello na ko ta do on say machine na bia
na wo sia for omo atrase omo de tip of Jumadi no ebrel Orlando and Ember. Stay with us.